Narayan Hari. Hello students. Students, today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic of medieval India, and that is Delhi Sultanate. The time period of Delhi Sultanate was from 1206 to 1526 AD, and this time period was ruled by 5 dynasties जिनको हम brief में बोल सकते हैं TKTSL. T for Turk, K for खलजी, T for तुगलक, S for सईद एंड L for लोधी. तो जो दिल्ली सल्तनत का टाइम पीरियड था 1206 से 1526, इसमें 5 इंपॉर्टेंट डायनेस्टीज ने रूल किया है. तो अब हम इन 5 इंपॉर्टेंट डायनेस्टीज को डिस्कस करेंगे ब्रीफ में. तो फर्स्ट वाज द तुर्क्स, जिनको स्लेव्स भी बोला जाता है. तुर्क ऑल्सो नोन एज द स्लेव डायनेस्टी. इस स्लेव डायनेस्टी का टाइम पीरियड था 1206 से 1290 AD तक. इट वॉज फॉलोड बाई खलजीज. खलजीज का टाइम पीरियड था 1290 से 1320. तुगलक्स रूल्ड फ्रॉम 1320 टू 1412 and Sayyid ruled from 1414 to 1451 and Lodhis ruled from 1451 to 1526. And after 1526, that was the time period of the Mughal Empire, which was ruled by 6 Mughal important rulers: Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan and Aurangzeb. Besides this, one Afghan, Sher Shah Suri, who was the contemporary of this Humayun, that we will discuss in the Mughal Empire. So Turks mein, first of all, it was the time period from 1206 to 1290. The founder was Qutbuddin Aibak, who ruled from 1206 to 1210. Followed by Aram Shah. Aram Shah ने कुछ months तक ही रूल किया. Followed by Iltutmish, who ruled from 1210 to 1236. Followed by Ruknuddin Firoz, who ruled from 1236 to 7 months का इसका रूल था. Then he was followed by Razia Sultan, the first lady ruler of Delhi Sultanate, and she ruled from 1236 to 1240. Followed by Muizzuddin Shah, ruled from 1240 to 42. Followed by Alauddin Shah, ruled by 1242 to 46. Followed by Nasiruddin Mahmud, ruled from 1246 to 66. Followed by Ghiyasuddin Balban, who ruled from 1266 to 87. And last was the Kaikabad, ruled from 1287 to 90. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये तो इम्पोर्टेंट रूलर्स थे स्लेव डायनेस्टी की. अब इसमें जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, फ्रॉम वेयर वी जनरली गेट द क्वेश्चंस इज कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, इल्तुतमिश, रजिया एंड गियासुद्दीन बलबन. दीज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम तुर्क को डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे इंडिविजुअली. नाउ वी डिस्कस, अभी हम इसको ब्रीफ में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं पांचों डायनेस्टीज को. खलजीज का टाइम पीरियड था 1290 से 1320 तक. 1320. The founder was Jalaluddin Khalji, who ruled from 1290 to 96, followed by Alauddin Khalji, ruled from 1296 to 1316, followed by Qutbuddin Mubarak Shah Khalji, ruled from 1316 to 1320, followed by another dynasty, that was the Tughlaq dynasty, ruled from 1320 to 1412. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was the founder, followed by 1320 to 25 his time period, followed by Muhammad bin Tughlaq, most controversial ruler also. He ruled from 1325 to 1551, and Firoz Tughlaq ruled from 1351 to 1388, followed by Nasiruddin Mahmud, who ruled from 1394 to 1412. Another important, the fourth dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate was the Sayyid dynasty, whose time period was from 1414 to 1451. The first important ruler was the Zir Khan, who ruled from 1414 to 21. Mubarak Shah ruled from 1421 to 1434. Muhammad Shah ruled from 1434 to 43, and Alam Shah ruled from 1443 to 51. Then last were the Lodhis, who ruled from 1451 to 1526. Behlol Lodhi was the founder, who ruled from 1451 to 89. Sikandar Lodhi ruled from 1489 to 1517, and last was the Ibrahim Lodhi, who ruled from 1517 to 1526, and he fought war with Babur, who laid the foundation of Mughal Empire after defeating Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat. So that was the brief summary of the Delhi Sultanate. इसमें हमने 5 डायनेस्टीज को, इंपॉर्टेंट रूलर्स को डिस्कस किया है उनके टाइम पीरियड्स के साथ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग तुर्क से डिस्कस करेंगे, और तुर्क में जो इंपॉर्टेंट रूलर्स हैं, जिसमें कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक हैं, इल्तुतमिश हैं, रजिया सुल्तान हैं और गियासुद्दीन बलबन हैं, इनको हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे. इसी तरह से फिर हम खलजीज को, तुगलक, सईद और लोदीज को डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स.